So over here you can see that I have a project and the project files are stored in the character folder on my desktop. This is how I actually manage this particular project. But let's say I import file from somewhere else. I'm just going to go around over here and I'm going to go into file and then I'm going to go into import. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the TutorTube drive. And then let's say, for example, I'm going to import this file out. So now what happens as I import the file in there is it actually links the TutorTube file from my TutorTube drive, so which is not actually feasible if I want to copy out the project. So I still can access this right here, but what happens is that the source is being taken out not from my project folder, but it is being taken out of the TutorTube drive right there. So what I want to do is I want to copy. So right now I'm just working around with one file, but if you have more than one file, then it'll work just like that. So if I were to go into character right here, there's this and there's just some files. As you can see, the Chloe is part of that file itself, but not the TutorTube logo. So what I want to do is I want to go to file, and then if I were to click to copy media files into project folder, it says it is gathering the files and then it copies all of the related files onto this particular folder. So if I were to go to CS media, you can see that it says gathered media 2 and the TutorTube file right there is located right there. So that is how it actually works like. And that is how you can copy media files into project folder in Character Animator for easier file management. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.